Nth root days. We're going to be talking today just two quick examples on how to find the nth root of any monomial, okay? First up on the docket should look pretty familiar. We've been doing square roots for a long time, but I want to talk a little bit about why we call it a square root. Any radical has different pieces of it. The outside number kind of on the little ledge, we refer to that as the index, okay? So when I use that term during this tutorial, it's the index, that's the little number on the ledge. That tells you essentially how many of a number is needed in order to come out, all right? I'm also going to be referring to it as the doorman. We'll talk about why in a second. Whatever is inside the radical is referred to as the radicand, okay? So that's another term that I might be referring to. So here, take a look. You might notice that there's nothing sitting on the ledge. If there's no index, it means that it is 2, okay? The book will never show that, I'll never show that. But if you're looking at a radical and there's nothing out on the index, that means it's 2, okay? Now you've been doing things like this for a while. You break down the 48, let's do 6 and 8, 2 and 3, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. Making the factor tree. There's nothing new about that. You've been doing it for a while. Now, the index, or what I call the doorman. The doorman tells you how many of a number you need before it's allowed out, okay? So, you've probably noticed in the past you're always looking for pairs. Well, that's why, because the index is 2. So I have a pair of 2's here, a pair of 2's here. So notice 2 2's are allowed out. 2 of the 2's are allowed out. That is why we'll have a 4 on the outside and a 3 on the inside. Okay? 2 2's came out because there were 2 pairs of it, and the only thing left at the end of my root was a 3. All right, variables. People get freaked out about variables. We're going to be showing you something that makes it very fast, very easy. Remember this phrase, exponent divided by index. If you know that, you can do any radical variable there is. What I mean by this is, my x is to the 3rd power. So for x, I'm going to take 3 divided by 2. Notice my exponent divided by my index. For y, it'll be 15 divided by 2. And for z, it'll be 24 divided by 2. When I divide here, we're going old school division. I'm talking pre-calculator, pre-decimals, remainders. Yes, look at what's remaining, and that's going to help us out here. So when I take 3 divided by 2, that's 1, remainder 1. Meaning, I'm going to have an x to the 1st power on the outside and an x to the 1st power on the inside. What? Yes. Look how easy this gets. 15 divided by 2. Well, it goes in 7 times with 1 remainder. Oh, so it's y to the 7th with 1y remaining inside. Drinking the Kool-Aid yet? Huh? Getting it? 24 divided by 2. Oh, 12 remainder nothing. So I have a z to the 12th on the outside and nothing remaining inside. Done. You can use that with any radical breakdown of a variable. Exponent divided by index. How many times it goes in whole? That's on the outside. Your remainder remains inside. All right. Big boy pants. Cube root. Notice my doorman changed. Cube root of 432, a to the 15th, b to the 29th, c to the 2nd. Are you nuts? Yes. Let's take a look. Same exact setup. I'm going to break down 432. Now 432, I'm going to start with 16 and 27. No, I did not do that in my head. I worked this out beforehand. All right, what goes into 16? 4 and 4, 27, 9 and 3, 9 is 3 and 3, 4 is 2 and 2, 4 is 2 and 2. All right, changing the doorman. Notice there's no absentee index, there's no 2, it's 3. Meaning, now I have to find 3 of a number before it's allowed out. So I have 1, 2, 3 2's. So a 2 is allowed to come out. I have 1, 2, 3 3's. So a 3 is allowed to come out. So on the outside total, I'll have 6. The only thing left is 2. Same exact skill, only the doorman tells us we're looking for a different grouping. Okay, instead of 2, we needed 3 of something. Variables, same old game. Exponent divided by index. So I'm going to take 15 divided by 3, 29 divided by 3, and 2 divided by 3. It's a very fast way to do it. 15 divided by 3, 5 remainder nothing. 29 divided by 3, 9 remainder 2. And 2 divided by 3. Some people get thrown off by this, but does 3 go into 2? No. So it is 0 remainder 2. Watch how fast you can do your answer. A has 5th power on the outside, none on the inside. B, 9th on the outside, squared on the inside. C, nothing on the outside, squared on the inside. Shadaisy, you're done. Quick, easy tutorial on how to find nth roots of any polynomial. Get it?